Hi family, is your hair refusing to grow? No matter what you try, no matter the product or the treatment, and your hair still not growing, don't worry. This simple recipe with onion and guava leaf will completely shock you. The results are faster, stronger and thicker growth than you have ever imagined. So let me walk you step by step on how to prepare and apply it. Our first ingredient is guava leaf. Please, when plugging your guava leaf, don't plug those thick green ones, okay? Plug the one that is lighter green, like the one I'm showing you in this video. These are the one that is more potent. So those thick greenish ones, they have losing their potency and they are very hard. So the lighter green, like the one I'm showing you in the camera now, is the one that is more potent and the one that you need to get that good result, okay? So you can plug lesser, you can plug like the quantity the way I plug. I just choose to use this small quantity of this guava leaf because I want this product to be very potent, okay? So it doesn't mean that if you use lesser leaf, it will not be potent. It still be potent, okay? Just do the one that you know is worth for you. And there's another thing I want to point out there. There are two ways to prepare this recipe, okay? So I'm showing you the first method now. Later I will also show you the second method, okay? So after plugging my guava leaf after the stem, because we don't need the stick, you just need only the leaf. So next thing I'm doing now, I'm using my hand to slice it into a small pieces. Let me say into 2 halves, okay? So you can use your knife or you can use scissors to do this, but I choose to use my hand because the leaf is very easy to slice. It's not difficult to do so. So after doing this, we move to the next step. So after slicing it, this is what I have so far. Next thing now is to wash this leaf, okay? It's very important. No matter where you plug it, please make sure you wash it, okay? Because there's still more dirty impurities and some little ants that like to work on this leaf. So it's very important you wash it so that you'll not be putting dirty product on your hair that will cause you scalp irritation or that will cause you any harm on your hair. So make sure you wash it properly, okay? So I wash mine 2 to 3 times, okay? So after washing it, we'll move to the next step. So our next ingredient is onion. So you can use white onion or purple onion, any of them you can reach your hand on. The one I'm using is purple onion, and I believe this purple onion comes in different color. That the one that is very purple and one that is lighter purple, okay? So this one is the lighter purple, but they are the same, okay? They are the same purple onion, okay? So what I'm just doing now is to peel off the skin of this onion. After peeling off the skin, I will go ahead and wash it. As this video progresses, I will let you guys know the benefit of this recipe, okay? So after washing it, this is what I have so far. I'll bring my knife to dice it into a small cube, okay? So it's very important I dice it, okay, so that I can move to the next process. Guys, if you are ready to see that overnight transformation, this video is for you. This recipe will give it to you. There is no joke, okay? This recipe will solve all your hair problems. This recipe is the answer to your prayers, okay? Just keep on watching. Like as I said, there's 2 ways to prepare this recipe, and this is the first method, and also I will show you guys the second method. So after dicing my onion, so this is my guava leaf and my onion. Next thing I will do now is to bring my blender cup, okay? Because this first method is blending method, okay? So I just transfer my fresh guava leaf into my blending cup, and also I will transfer my sliced purple onion into my blending cup, okay? So for my blender to crush this properly, I need to add a little water on it so that my blender can give me that smooth blending, because without adding this water, my blender cannot blend this very smooth. But if your blender can blend it without water, go ahead and do that. So I'll cover it up and go and blend it. After blending it, I bring this bowl and my shift cloth to shifter it. It's very important you shifter this. As you can see, there's a lot of particles on this, okay? And what we need is the juice, and the juice, we don't need the particles of the onion or the particles of the guava leaf. will squeeze it very well. Make sure I get all the juice out of the chaff, okay? And once that's done, I will just discard the chaff and bring my spray bottle to transfer my treatment into my spray bottle. Guys, this recipe is banger. This recipe is that 10 times faster hair growth. With this recipe, no more struggle of hair growth, no more struggle of dandruff, no more struggle of slow growth, no more struggle of thinning hair, okay? This recipe will solve those problems. There is no joke. If you're not ready to tackle your hair problems, do not prepare this recipe, because this recipe will do that for you and give you that faster growth you can ever imagine, okay? So before we move into on how to use this recipe to achieve that best result, let's first of all talk about the benefits of this ingredient we use in this recipe, okay? So here is why this recipe works so powerful. Our first ingredient is onion. Onion is packed with sulfur, which strengthens your hair roots, fights thinning hair, and wakes up weak hair follicles. It also boosts blood circulation to the scalp, which means faster and fuller hair. Second ingredient is guava leaf. Guava leaf are loaded with vitamin C and the antioxidants that stop hair breakage, reduce shedding, and protect your scalp. So when you combine onion and guava leaf together, you get a natural powerhouse that fights hair loss, speeding up hair growth, and give your hair that salon look like shiner without chemicals. So the next thing is how to apply this first method to achieve that best results. So the first method, the first way to use it is to use it as your pre-conditioner. Pre-conditioner is a product you apply on your hair after shampooing your hair, okay? So after shampoo your hair, prepare this recipe. Please do not prepare this recipe before you shampoo your hair. Prepare this recipe after shampoo your hair. You don't need to keep this recipe very long time before you use it to achieve that best result. Please pay close attention. If you really want to get best results with this recipe, you need to follow all the instructions I'm giving to you, okay? So after shampoo your hair, prepare the recipe and apply it on your hair, okay? Make sure you hydrate it properly all over your hair, both on your scalp and the strands of your hair, okay? After then, massage your scalp. Scalp massage is very important if you really want to get that best result with this recipe. After massaging your scalp, cover up your hair, allow your hair to sit for 1 hour, okay? From 1 hour to 2 hours if you are using shower cap or cellophane nylon. But if you are using heat cap, just 45 minutes or 15 minutes is okay, to get that best result. Please follow the instruction. If you follow the instruction, you will definitely achieve best results. So after then, rinse your hair and continue your wash day routine, okay? So this is one of the best way to use this recipe. Another way to use it, you can use it as your pre-poo. Pre-poo is a product you apply before you shampoo your hair, but as your pre-poo, please apply it and leave it to sit on your hair overnight. I repeat, apply it and allow it to sit on your hair overnight to get that best result, okay? So now I have to prepare the second method. The second method, plug your guava leaf, wash it thoroughly and boil it. Parboil it. Add enough water on it. It's not too much water. You know the amount of quantity water you can add on it. Parboil it. After parboiling it for 10 to 7 minutes, bring it down. Allow it to cool down a little bit and bring your purple onion or white onion, medium size. Peel off the skin, wash it and slice it. Blend it together with your parboiled guava leaf with the water. After blending it, you strain it, okay, and apply it on your hair the same way I direct you for the first method. So if you want me to show you on how to prepare this recipe as a leave-in treatment or as a leave-in tea spray, just let me know, okay? Comment in comment section below. I will definitely make that video for you. So these two methods, they are all rinse out products, okay? Either use them as a pre-poo or pre-conditioner. You definitely need to rinse them out. But if you're looking for the one that will sit on your hair until your next wash day, you can use every day or every other days until your next wash. You don't need to wash it out. Let me know in comment section below. I will definitely make that video for you. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. I hope you have learned how to use these two simple powerful recipe to achieve your hair goal, to solve those your hair problems. So please, if you find this video very helpful, please do well to join this beautiful family. And once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell to all, so I don't miss any of my future upload. Okay, and also please help me to like this video. If you have not liked, it really helped me a lot, and also it helped the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that it will get to a whole lot of people that need this recipe, because this recipe will help thousands of people out there. Okay, so don't be staging. Okay, please share the video. Okay, thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much for all your support, for always coming back to watch my video. And also for my new viewers, thank you for stopping by. Please don't go without subscribing, without joining this beautiful family. You will never regret that. That is a promise. You will never regret joining this beautiful family. Okay, so guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.